Access thousands of products to personalize: cards, bags, lip balm, and more. Let's get started. Quickly edit your text in real time. Access time-saving features like automatic font preview and line auto formatting. Easily update images by accessing our free logo library, or sign in to upload your own logo, or use one you previously saved. If you need to adjust your image or text box, simply unlock to access advanced features. Additional options include editing the back of the product, saving your project to complete later, viewing past orders, downloading a PDF proof to share with the team, canceling so you can return to browsing products. When you are done editing, click Approve. You will have two options. You can initial and approve the order, or you can request our help. Easier access to templates. Templates that guide you to customizable areas of the products. Easier access to color options. Wider selection of products to personalize online, including fabric totes, drinkware, pens, hand sanitizer, and more.